How to use Robinhood to buy stocks. In this video, I'll walk you through how to buy stocks on Robinhood step by step, even if you are a beginner. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you're an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you're an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, tap the search icon at the top and type the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy for. Now tap the stock from the list to open its detail page. Click the buy green button at the bottom of your screen. Type how much money you want to invest. You can buy full shares or even fractional shares with as little as $1. Tap preview, then swipe up to submit your order. That's it, you just bought a stock, and that is how you can buy stock on Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.